Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade luncheon meat. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring they are fresh and properly measured. Next, prepare your chosen cut of meat by grinding it to the correct consistency. Then, you will mix in your seasonings and cure the mixture. Finally, we'll cover the cooking process and proper storage for your finished product. To begin, choose a good quality pork shoulder or a similar cut for the best flavor and texture. You'll need curing salt, your preferred spices, and a small amount of water or broth. Grind the meat finely, aiming for a very smooth consistency. It's crucial to keep all your ingredients, especially the meat, very cold throughout this initial preparation stage. Now, combine the ground meat with your seasonings and mix vigorously until the mixture becomes very sticky. Gradually incorporate a small amount of ice water. This helps create a stable emulsion. Firmly press the prepared mixture into a loaf pan or a suitable casing, ensuring no air pockets remain. Refrigerate the loaf for at least 12 hours to allow the curing process to fully develop. For cooking, place your loaf pan into a larger pan filled with hot water, creating a water bath. This method helps prevent the meat from drying out. Cook until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, allow the luncheon meat to cool completely before slicing. Store your homemade luncheon meat in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.